When you wake up ready to say, I think I'll make it a snappy new day. Me put me puppet down. Good morning, neighbor. It's Wednesday, March 20, 2024. You guess who born today in 1928? Me look out weather window here and take a look at me neighborhood. Get weather for you here in Cincinnati. It 45 degrees Fahrenheit. And clear. Where clouds be? That 7.22 degrees centigrade. Me like it. So, you know whose birthday Unka celebrate today? He lived in Pittsburgh. He was a vegetarian. He was very kind man who used puppets on TV. Me celebrate Mr. Rogers today. Oh, he writes so many good songs. What's your favorite? Clouds come back in afternoon with temperatures only reaching low 50s. It'd be good day to walk around neighborhood. Me like walking. Do you? Remember, you always make each day a special day. You know how? By just you being you. Have a good day.